Alright, so I cut out a rough shape, and I think we're going to be able to have some room for error if I mess up, because there's so much still left on the wooden handle. I roughly shaped it up with, well, you can see how much shavings I got off with one of those freehand spoke knives. I'm not so keen on using the plane because I simply don't have one that's small enough. There's still way too much wood on the blank, so I think I'm going to cut off a bit more and shave it down the thickness of it, because it's just like still way too much. I traced down the lines a bit of what I roughly want, and I even made one spare to test, and it's good because I noticed only now when that there is some grain that's not running straight, which was sort of a surprise because the wood broke away way too easily, and it kind of messed up the eye where it was supposed to be going. So I'm quite happy that this part is actually quite straight. The only thing here is that it's running in the width and not in the length, and I was maybe a bit careless in selecting the wood, but I checked online and people are generally saying that as long as the grain is running straight and it's not diverging through the handle to one of the sides, it shouldn't break that easily. So it's less durable but still durable enough. I even managed to almost get the fitting, and in a few more shavings later, and there's quite a lot. It's just from the blank freehanding. This is day 2 of me working on this project. I managed to shave it down enough that I can actually fit it, and I must say I'm quite happy with the fit. If I just put it on with, well, almost no force, just give it a little tap, I'm pretty much getting a really solid fit. Like, I actually need to make an effort getting it back off, and that's something I want to keep in this project. Anyway, if you guys think of anything new, let me know. I'm quite well underway with this project. I think I might be having it done tomorrow.